This week I show you how to make your own stainless steel turbine pole for about $100 instead of $1,000.
Okay, here's what I have. So I've got a stainless steel 2-inch piece of tubing. Actually, the tubing was 22 feet long. Here it is, here you can see it here. But I cut it off. I got it delivered actually from one of our local places that brings us steel. So it's stainless steel, 2 inches. And then I cut it off. We're going to take and deburr it here around the end. And then drill the holes in it. And the length of it is 9.5 feet. So we're going to see if that's going to come out correct. I think it will. It's about 7 feet to the top of my bimini. That'll give me range to go to the top and miss all the miss the propeller part of the wind turbine. So anyway, we'll get this fixed up and get some holes drilled in it. So we'll be mounting this stainless steel tubing pipe just like this. So this will actually slide down inside of the pipe itself, and it fits pretty tight. We've got to put a couple of holes in it, put the bolts through. Okay, I measured it out. Measured in millimeters, it was easy, so centimeters. So we can get our 2 holes in there. This will be our holes here to mount the turbine. We'll need to drill these all the way through, and the bolt goes all the way through this, both sides. And then put bolt, then put a nut on the other side, thread it all the way. So the bolts that go in are an 8mm by 1.25. Okay, so here's I drilled the holes, and here's our bolts. We'll have 4 bolts that'll go in like this. I'll tighten them up. There's 2 on each side. Then we'll have to put our mount down at the bottom. So now we'll have to take this plate and put it on the bottom like this. We'll have to make sure we can tilt it. So when I bore a hole in it, make sure that I can tilt it so that I'm not sure exactly what angle it's going to go. Probably something like maybe that or that, because it's going to mount on the back. So I'll bore this hole and make sure that I can tilt it all the way around. You don't miss everything. Okay, so what we'll do is we're going to take this mount, which will mount on the stern rail. We'll slide that on here like this. We'll slide it up. We'll mount it on the stern rail and up higher to hold it to the stern rail. And then what we'll do is we're going to take this bolt and we'll go through the clamp. And it has a little plastic washer on the inside of it to keep it from rattling. Put it in like that. And we'll turn it over here. And we'll put the other plastic washer on the inside like this. That'll go through like that. Then we can tilt it however we need to tilt it. It's a nylon nut, so it'll hold stainless steel. It comes with it, with the mount. So we'll tilt this wherever it needs to hold it at. And then on the inside, we have a plate. This plate will go on the inside of the stern, so we'll bolt through this and through this, and then we'll make some rubber mounts to go here so that it won't vibrate as it rotates. And then this will slide up to wherever we need it, and it'll bolt onto the stern rail, and it'll hold it on up higher so that it'll support it. So hopefully that's all going to work. We might need to put a little bit more support on it, but we'll see after we get it on there. Okay, maybe a couple of cork gaskets that'll go on the plate on the inside like this, and then the other one will be on the plate on the outside like this. That way it'll dampen down some of the sound vibration, and also seal it, and then we'll use butyl tape to seal it up real good. So now we just need to get us some stainless steel screws to go through here, bolt that on, and we'll be ready to go. I think we'll be good on go then. Be ready to mount it.
Next episode on Dreamweaver
So today we
SV.
have to replace this out haul. Yeah, it's getting a little ragged looking. So